How to connect Apple Music to Stationhead. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, you're going to learn how to connect your Apple Music account to Stationhead, so you can stream your favorite tracks and even host your own live radio shows using music you already love. Let's get started. Step by step. Step 1. Download the Stationhead app. First, go to the App Store or Google Play and download the Stationhead app. Make sure to install it on the same device where your Apple Music is active. 2. Open Stationhead and sign in. Once installed, open the app. You can create a new account or log in with your existing one. 3. Link your streaming service. After login, Stationhead will ask you to choose your music provider. Select Apple Music. Step 4. Grant permissions. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to access your Apple Music account. Make sure to accept and log in using your Apple ID. This step is essential. Stationhead needs access to stream songs on your behalf. Step 5. Verify the connection. Once connected, you'll see Apple Music listed as your default streaming provider. Now you're ready to start listening or hosting shows with the music from your own library. Troubleshooting tip. If Apple Music does not appear right away, go to Settings in the Stationhead app. Tap on Streaming Provider and connect manually from there. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to connect Apple Music to Stationhead. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you next time.